Welcome to the PaperCut print release training video. When sending a job to the printer, you will want to choose the printer named Secure Print. After sending your print job, you will need to log in at the copier. After login, you will see how many pending print jobs you have in the upper left-hand corner. By selecting the Print All button on the right-hand side, you will release all pending jobs. To select individual jobs, select Print Release. Here you can select individual jobs to release by clicking the box next to the job name. To see job properties, select the arrow to the right of the job. Here you are able to change the number of copies and whether to print single or double-sided. On this page, you can also choose to print or delete the job. To return to the main menu, use the back arrow in the upper left-hand corner. After you've selected the jobs you wish to print, tap the green Print button in the bottom right corner. You can also select jobs you wish to delete, then tap the trash can icon. If a recently sent job is not showing up, you can try refreshing the screen by tapping this button in the upper right-hand area. This concludes the PaperCut print release training video.